Are you like me and you suffer from perfectionism? If you do, when it comes to video creation, it could be the silent killer of your dreams, believe it or not. I know I used to create videos, edit those videos, and then kind of let them hang out and come back and then tweak it a little bit more and then tweak it a little bit more and then get to the point where I'm like, nah, this isn't good enough. And then I would shelve it. If that's you, then let's talk about it. So my new philosophy is done is better than perfect. And that's not something I created. I've heard it most of my career since I started my business. I don't think I ever quite understood what it meant. And I shouldn't say I didn't understand what it meant. I didn't know how to apply it to me because I was a perfectionist and because I compared myself consistently to the experts that were on YouTube and had been doing this for years and years and years, who had gone through the struggles that I was currently experiencing, but I did not witness because I wasn't on YouTube at the time. And so I kept saying, well, theirs looks so much better than mine. They're speaking so much smoother than I am. And so when I would do my videos and then I would edit them, I would try to make them look like the polished experts that I was seeing and pissed that it wasn't. So it would get to a point where I literally have a folder of videos that have never been published. And it is because I suffered from perfectionism. And I don't know if I had posted those videos where I would be today. Because the reality is, and it took me a while, I'm a little bit of a slow learner. It took me a while to realize this. With every failure that you experience, you learn what not to do the next time. And so I think I've heard Stephen Bartlett says this, and I don't know, he probably got it from somewhere else. But it's important for you to fail quickly and fail often so that you could get to the other side faster. And the more that you do it, the more that you experiment, the more that you try. Yeah. I have a little thing here that I have. Don't fear failure. Fear not trying. The more that you try, the better off it's going to be for you. And that took me, unfortunately, years to recognize. And I don't want you to be in the same boat. That's why I'm really encouraging you that if you have this fear of, I'm not good enough, I don't look the way that I want to look, and you're not doing video, let's do faceless videos together and join my workshop that's coming up this month on the 20th and the 24th. If you can't make it in September, I've got another batch in October and then another batch in November because you need to push past that fear. And I want to provide a supportive community where you would feel comfortable, A, learning how to do it, and B, getting it done and publishing it. So join me on that. You can click the link either below or above, depending on where you see this video. So I want you to walk away with this understanding that everyone that you're going to be attracting has been where you are or is currently where you are in your fear of trying to get over the hump of creating videos and being comfortable on camera. But more importantly, the people that you're trying to reach, they're the ones that really need to resonate with your message, and they don't care how it looks. They don't care if it's messy. And sometimes it actually is better if it's messy because it makes you a bit more authentic and real to the people that you're trying to attract. So banish perfectionism. Really put that to the side and adopt the fact that done is better than perfect and get on with it. So let me remember what my call to action is for you today. What's one small step that you can take today to move you past perfectionism and post that video? So let me know in the comments below what that is, and I'll see you tomorrow. Take care.